Upwork, and how to continue getting jobs. And you have to find a reliable client to get the 100% GSS. If it is 70%, 60%, then what to do? So, guys, I will also tell you how to index your website pages quickly so that your site is indexed. When it is indexed, then you will put this formula site colon remove HTTPS and the site URL, and you will see the index pages. Now let's go to Upwork. So guys, you can see I have 100% JSS on Upwork. So how I got this 100% JSS back? I earned $8,500. I did 15 to 20 jobs. Some haven't been paid. You can see last one is 50, then 280 for link building, then for Mr. TY I did 5,000, then 1,600, and then 100, etc., etc. But the first job was $10. Yeah, it was $10 job. So in this, I just had to give a uh, review on Google Apps Store for this website. So after this, I did some jobs. Another getting website $200, then 20, then etc., etc. You can see all contracts. So my JSS is fine right now. But what after that? Like you have to find a stable client like this one, which is DY. In this I made a lot of money, and I worked him for about 8 months. So what happens is when you work for 8 months, then the JSS automatically improves for the same client. So first he had a few sites, one or two sites, three sites. He was looking for backlinks and comment links and majestic score, trust flow. Then over here it was a small project, 100 USD. Over here it was 1,515 USD. So what we have to do is we have to continuously find a client which gives us long-term work for the GSS to improve. Now you can see long-term clients are 100%, GSS is 100%, earnings is 7,000. It's a bit lower, but clients are recommending us to this as top rated also I'm going to get in 2 weeks time. 10 out of 16 eligible people have get my top rated batch again for the second time. This is really lucky. I will get 10 of the batch which I will get. very much, and subscribe to the channel.